Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Settings, do not delay. Open Apps and Notifications now and tap the app list. This is where pop-ups live. Once done, choose Special App Access or Advanced Permissions so you can control overlays and notifications directly. You need to find Display over other apps and Notification Access. These two control most intrusive pop-ups. Make sure to keep your screen unlocked while you adjust settings, because some phones require an active screen to change over. Now you remove the permissions that allow pop-ups to appear. Go into Display over other apps and toggle off access for apps you don't recognize or that show ads. This prevents overlays from drawing over your current screen. Then, open each app's notifications and set them to block or silent depending on whether you want updates. Once done, revoke notification access for apps that control other apps. This cuts off adware control and reduces interruptions immediately. Complete the process by removing the source. Uninstall any recently installed or unknown apps that might show ads. If an app resists removal, reboot into safe mode and uninstall from there. This ensures third-party apps can't block removal. Run Google Play Protect or your security tool to scan for adware, then update Android and apps to patch vulnerabilities. If pop-ups persist despite these steps, reset app preferences, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.